Setting up two-factor authentication on Discord is pretty easy. You just need to follow some steps in this video. First, you need to open your Discord app. It can be desktop app or mobile app, or you can log in to the website. Now you have to go to the gear icon located at the bottom left corner beside your username. In the setting menu, you will have to go for My Account tab on the left side and look for the two-factor authentication. Now tap on Enable two-factor auth. You will be prompted to re-enter your password for security reasons, and you can do it easily. You will need an authenticator app. You can use Google Authenticator or Authy. Open the app or either scan the QR code shown on Discord, manually enter the provided code into the authenticator app. Once you have added Discord to your authenticator app, a 6-digit code will appear. You'll have to give the code to enable the two-factor authentication. After completing these steps, your account will be protected with two-factor authentication. So this was the video on how you can protect your Discord account with two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is the new normal, and it's highly advisable to go with two-factor authentication system to protect your Discord account.